Hello and welcome back to Sam's Diecast. You're in for unboxings, reviews, and collecting of Diecast cars. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2020 Hot Wheels. This is the Rip Rod. This is a very popular one. Debuted in 2014. Hot Wheels Dream Garage number 9 of 10, and it's also a best for track. 85 of 250 for 2020. On USA Cards, scored this at a Family Dollar around a couple weeks ago. And there you go, from Diecast, GHC29 is the number, and I want to go quick here, don't have much space. I just wasn't really happy with the last unboxing. Hot Wheels Dream Garage, the most epic Hot Wheels vehicles ever made all together in one rocking collection. 9 of 10 of that series. Let's get this out of the packaging. Oh, nice clean open there. Let's get this out of the packaging. Hopefully this doesn't have any defects like the last vehicle did. Oh, thankfully, no bent axles. Oh, sweet. Like this casting. My worst nightmare is if I drop it, I'm definitely breaking one of those axles, because see how exposed they are? Yeah, cool casting though. Remember when I said something about no bent axles? Well, yeah, that looks bent to me. Slightly, but somehow they spin independently, and it rolls straight. So, I guess I'll take it. This is the newest version in black from the 2021 Hot Wheels Legends 5-pack. If a car's gonna make it into both Legends 5-pack and Hot Wheels Dream Garage, you gotta know it's a good vehicle. Let's take a closer look at those details. Here is a side-by-side of the two versions, but we're taking a look at this red one here with the white rims, really liking it. All the red up top is plastic. Got the Hot Wheels symbol right there. Cool, and got the white wheels, of course, and looks like the suspension's in there. All the gray inside is plastic. That grill is plastic. Not too much detail on this casting, but still cool and still would be good for track. And there's the back there. Nice pipe sticking out. It's kind of like a dune buggy. It has the Hot Wheels logo right there, if that'll focus. Beautiful. Base is metal, 2013 the copyright, made in Malaysia. Thanks for tuning in, and subscribe for more.